Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with another hashtag Two Crafters One Design, as well as hashtag Saturday Morning Makes. Hashtag Saturday Morning Makes is hosted by Julia Norwood, which is an open collab for everyone to join in. I'll have her link down below so that you can check out the rest of the details. For our challenge, hashtag Two Crafters One Design, which is hosted by myself, Mo Creations, as well as You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa, and Girliest Cards, which is Gloria. Our theme for this week was to use a background cover plate die. So if you have that and you are prepared to enter our challenge, please do, because we want to see what you have. I am using my Creative Times stamp and die set, and I don't know the name of this, but I love this set. It is on retirement. I don't think she has this in her store anymore, but I did use that die on the back side as well. And then here goes the cover plate that I chose to use, which was from Reverse Confetti, and I'm sorry, their store is closed, and unless you get this off eBay, you won't be able to pick up this, but I love this cover plate. And then I also use Elizabeth Craft Dashing Rectangles, and I want to say I'm using that one right there. And here goes the cards. I love these cards. I had to make a sympathy card, and so I thought I would make a basic card that I can still use. I made quite a few, but I think I'm going to use them specifically for sympathy. But I thought I would use Thinking of You just in case I needed something just as an encouragement card or something like that. So I gave away one, which was a blue color, so I still have these three. And let me just show you that a little bit more close. Love these cards. I think they're so pretty. I love this flower. I really, really do. It's so pretty. And I did add some inking in the background, threw some enamel dots on top of there. And Thinking of You came from that same set. And there goes my background cover plate, which was our challenge this week. And there goes the inside, which I just used the dashing rectangles there. I also used the dashing rectangles here. So all three of the cards are very similar, except for the colors. I did forget to get the leaf die that I used, but it's from Doris, and sorry I didn't have it to show. All right, so make sure you use the hashtags as well as the ladies' links down below to join in on the challenge. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much. You all have a blessed and crafty day.